Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cat that I made for my Halloween blanket. For the materials list as well as the written pattern, I'm going to link that below. If you're already on my blog, go ahead and scroll down to find that information. So to start, we're going to make a magic ring, chain up 1, and then make 10 half double crochets into the circle. Once we have that, go ahead and pull that tail end tight and join to the first half double crochet, so that first chain 1 will not count as a stitch. In round 2, we will be doing 2 half double crochets into each stitch around. So go ahead and make 2 half double crochets in each stitch around, and when you get to the end you should have 20 stitches total in round 2. Once you have all those stitches, go ahead and join to the first half double crochet. Again, that first stitch will not count as a stitch. In round 3, we are going to increase every other round, so we are going to do 1 half double crochet in the first, and then 2 half double crochet in the second, and then we're going to repeat that pattern all the way around. So 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochet, and repeat that all the way around. So once you get to the end, join to the first half double crochet, chain up 1, and then in this last round we are going to increase after every 2 half double crochets. So 1 half double crochet in the first, 1 half double crochet into the next, and then in the third we will increase by making 2 half double crochets. And we're just going to repeat that all the way around. So 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 2 half double crochets. Go ahead and repeat that all the way around your circle. Once you get to the end, join to the first half double crochet, and this will be the last round we're going to do, but before you fasten off, we are going to make one of the cat ears. So chain up 1 and make a single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to do a triple single crochet decrease. So insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the second, pull up a loop, insert into the third, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all those loops, and then you can fasten off. So that will be one ear. So to do the second ear, the first ear we did will be the right ear, and then now we are going to count 3 stitches over to the left. So 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to attach our yarn there and make another ear, chain up 1, single crochet into that same space, and then into the next and into the next. So we have 3 single crochets total. Chain 1, turn your work, and again we are going to do that triple decrease. Pull up a loop in the first, pull up a loop in the second, and pull up a loop in the third, yarn over and pull through all of the loops, and then go ahead and fasten off. So now we are done with the crochet part. So at this point you will just want to embellish your cat face with the 6mm safety eyes along with the backings, and for the nose and the whiskers I just used a little bit of pink yarn with my tapestry needle to sew a V here, and then the whiskers I just used a white yarn to embellish. You can refer to the photo in the beginning of this video just as a guideline to see where you would like to sew on the cat nose and the whiskers. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoy crochet tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.